Hi, I'm Pat, product manager here at Warehouse Lighting, and I'm excited to introduce you the newest edition of our architectural lighting line, the fully adjustable, highly customizable LINA series. The LINA series is designed to make architectural lighting simple, fast, and completely flexible. Every fixture is both wattage selectable and CCT selectable, with the added advantage of independent uplight and downlight control, giving you complete authority over output and distribution. More than just a fixture, the LINA series is a complete architectural lighting system built for customization. Our core linear models include the 4-foot selectable at 20, 30, 40, or 50 watts, and the 8-foot version selectable at 40, 60, 80, or 100 watts. And for advanced layouts, we also offer a 36-inch half circle selectable at 26, 36, 46, or 56 watts. Perfect for curves, arcs, rings, and other custom configurations. Operating from 120 to 277 volts, the LINA series is ready for virtually any commercial or architectural application. With CCT selection built in, you can easily choose between 3000K, 3500K, 4000K, and 5000K, allowing you to match or fine-tune the light in your space with no programming or extra hardware. If you need continuous runs, we offer a dedicated mechanical end-to-end connection bracket that allows fixtures to snap together cleanly and securely, creating long, unbroken lines of light. Each fixture also features built-in quick connect terminals, letting you plug fixture to fixture or fixture to connector with no rewiring required. You can find the bracket on our website, and it's designed specifically to make linear runs fast, precise, and repeatable. For even greater customization, we offer 90 and 120 degree connector kits, as well as half circle modules, giving you the ability to create shapes, patterns, and architectural lighting designs with ease. Each fixture includes adjustable aircraft cables and a power feed canopy kit, so you can hang them right out of the box. And if your project requires something different, the LINA series also supports wall mounting, T-bar recess mounting, mud and trimless installation, recessed flange options, giving you the flexibility to install these fixtures in virtually any ceiling or architectural condition. The LINA series is CUL listed, meets modern efficiency standards, and is backed by a 5-year warranty for total peace of mind. Contact us today to learn how the LINA series can elevate your next lighting project. I'm Pat, thanks for watching.